Hello, everyone. My name is Nathan Cotis, and this is me presenting my use case 4. And this case goes over 238 to 254, I believe. I'll just be showing some of the earlier steps as it'll take a little bit longer, but I can show you the steps that I have gone through. And so first, the practice says to open the VA1 practice 2.1, and I've already done that. And I also have already got everything pulled up. So I'll go ahead and start with, I've already done some of these questions up here. So I'll start with this number 2 here. So this is on page 1, and the question is, what is the case of employee country? And so we can go over here, and you can see in this column here that says employee country that we have a lowercase n and a lowercase l, and then going further we have a lowercase I and a lowercase t. And in the example here, the answer uses AU, which is the same thing that I'm mentioning here. And so, which employee represents sales over the internet or through the catalog? And so we can go to employee name, which is right here. And let's see, internet to catalog. So we can sort it so we know where we're looking at. And then we'll find internet. And here it is here, internet/catalog sales. And we can see that here as well. And so the next question is, which data item can be used to determine whether an employee is active, currently employed, or retired? And we can go to the employee termination date, which is, let's see here, employee. I'll have to make my screen full here so we can see it. And so here we are right here on this column. And so depending on what other thing we are looking at, we can tell if they're currently employed previously, or what their time frame may be on their employment status. So I'll make my screen split again. So view the crosstab of department and job title on page 2 and answer the question. Which department contains the missing job title? And so we can see here, it's just, we can sort it to make it look like the answer, and that stock and shipping is missing its job title. And so create an auto chart of company and answer the questions. Drag company from the data pane to the right side of the campus. Let's see here, let me make it bigger. I needed to make sure I was in the editing piece there. So I want to go to data, and then we're going to find an auto chart. Let's see here. Let's see, it looks like just a bar chart. Oh, I see, drag company. Well, I will stop the video here so it does not become too long, but I will continue to go through these and make the data look like the pictures and answer these questions below. Thank you for watching my video.